Working with code changes and have diff files showing the differences between file versions. These are essential for code review and version control across software development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view and apply these patch files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized DIFF file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. A user, typically a software developer, encounters a DIFF file when reviewing code changes, applying a patch to source code, or sharing updates without sending entire files. Their goal is to understand the differences between two versions of a text file, and often to apply those changes programmatically. A DIFF file is a plain text file containing instructions generated by the diff utility. It uses a specific syntax with markers like plus, chus, and add to describe which lines to add, remove, or modify to transform one file into another. This text-based design ensures maximum portability and human readability. The reference software for validating DIFF integrity is Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows can open scripts for review, but running them depends on compatible tools. Your quick fix starts here. Right-click the DIFF file and choose Open With. If Visual Studio Code is installed, test it immediately. If not, select a different option. Multiple attempts are common. When a DIFF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, Viewing in Code Editor. Open DIFF files in Visual Studio Code, which provides syntax highlighting for diff file format, showing additions in green and deletions in red. GitHub VS Code extensions like Diff Viewer enhance the experience with side-by-side comparison views. Reading diffs visually helps understand code changes during review before deciding to apply or reject the patch. Next, Applying with Patch. Use the patch command line utility to apply diff files to source code. Run patch p1 less than file.diff in the source directory. The number after -p indicates path stripping for matching file locations. The patch tool handles fuzzy matching when target files have slight differences from the original, applying changes when reasonably possible. Finally, using with Git. Apply diff files to Git repositories using gitapplyfile.diff or gitaam for properly formatted patches that include commit metadata. Git provides better conflict handling and integration with branch workflows. Generate diffs from Git with Git diff or Git format patch, creating files suitable for sharing changes via email or patch distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.